What do I wear? I only told you.
Hey, go take care of business. It's important.
12 times the first stress that you.
I'm talking about mega seeds. They're incredibly powerful, and I need them to help me with my research.
Put on is still your best find. We've been sitting in this dressing room for hours. I need a break, baby. I don't have the brain power. When you.
It makes you kind of the underfoot figure.
You ask me my opinion. I'm always sure to be a minion.
Yeah, I can see that. But do you think you'll still be able to help me?
Kinda like long division. Everything is difficult. Help me help you.
I was the only old person there, Morty. You gotta do it for Grandpa, Morty.
Girl, what you?
I'm gonna be able to do all kinds of things with them. It's gonna be great, Morty. All kinds of science.
Trying to do, cause I don't got a clue. No, I ain't no Scooby-Doo. Help you.
What new machine?
Cause I'm hungrier than you.
Morty, tell your parents the first law of thermodynamics.
I just wanna get some food in you.
He needs to keep hanging out and helping me.
About to kill my mood. Help you.
Okay, Jerry, you drive a hard bargain, but what am I supposed to do? Say no? You.
Do these jeans make me look fat? Yeah, I know you.
And once those seeds wear off, you're gonna lose most of your motor skills, starting right about now.
Oh man, oh. I want the answer, but I'm smart and that's a trap. Help you.
We're the only friends we've got, Morty.
Oh, and here's a random fact.
This is gonna be a lot like that, except, it's gonna...
You still got my favorite hoodie and you...
Allah Akbar!
Need to give it back. It ain't that I ain't calling back. It's just you.
I mean, the guy teaches high school math.
Said you
I check in on him once a year and give him a little medical evaluation.
Need a space and so I'm staying out your way. It ain't that I ain't got your back. But you
don't worry about your Christmas, Jerry. I'll be with Ruben in my workshop.
Went out of your way to make that K a lowercase. When you
look, I don't have time for you to wrap your little walnut around everything.
Ask me my opinion. I'm always sure to be a minion. Girl,
Hey Dad, where's Morty?
He's busy.
Kinda like long division. Everything is difficult. Help me help you.
The only monster here is alcoholism.
Girl, what you?
It's a bunch of pirates running around a pancreas.
Trying to do, cause I don't got a clue. No, I ain't no Scooby-Doo. Help you.
Not now, Jerry. I've got much smaller fish to fry.
Cause I'm hungrier than you.
So I heard. You dodged a bullet, Morty. Trust me.
I just wanna get some food in you.
It's all fake, Morty.
You about to kill my mood. Help you.
Can't let you do that, Morty.
Give it to me!
No. You give it to me.
Do these jeans make me look fat? Yeah, I know you.
Look around you, Morty. Do you really think this world is real?
I want the answer, but I'm smart and that's a trap. Help you.
That's more like it.
Oh, and here's a random fact.
It's an obsession for them at this point. The Nigerians have been trying to outsmart me for years, Morty.
You still got my favorite hoodie, and you
did it, Morty. I'm gonna be able to use these processors to make some real important science stuff.
Need to give it back. Baby girl, wanna ask you.
Hey, Jerry, don't worry about it. So what if the most meaningful day of your life was a simulation operating at minimum capacity?
If there's a problem, don't tell me you're fine. I know you're not fine. I just don't understand you.
What happened back there?
Why don't you ask the smartest people in the universe, Jerry? Oh yeah, you can't. They blew up.
You steal the covers and then you
knock yourselves out. Just keep your requests simple. They're not gods.
Want me to cuddle you?
Yeah, beginner's luck.
Are you
real straightforward and fun?
hot or are you?
Maybe that's why I could use a little cleaning up every now and then,
Gold! Don't ask me if I think another girl is cute. That's a loaded question. What are you?
All right, Morty, I just gotta combine it with some of your DNA.
Oh, well, okay. What are you trying to do?
Look, I'm not paying 70 smidgens for broken defraculator.
Trying to make me, girl. We're on the same team. So just please just listen to me and hear what I have to say, baby girl. Help me help you.
You girls are really something, I'll tell you that. When we first got here, I was like...
Finish it now.